Proceedings at the newly built Mobolaji Johnson Railway Station, Ebutemeta area of Lagos State, heralds a new era in rail travel with an official commissioning by Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari. This happened 4 years after the groundbreaking of the 157-kilometer Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge rail line. The project, supervised by the Federal Ministry of Transportation, is a joint effort by the Nigerian and Chinese governments.
This signals yet another milestone in the drive of this administration to revitalize the railway system, establish it as a choice mode of transportation for both passengers and freight, and position it as a transportation backbone that can transform industrial and economic activity in the country. This vital line establishes an end-to-end logistics supply chain in railway transport within its short corridor, Lagos-Ibadan, as goods to the hinterland will now be transported by rail directly from the Apapa Port, quayside, straight to the inland container depot located in Ibadan, from where it can be distributed to other parts of the country.
A ride in one of the new trains in the company of the president gave an inkling of what passengers will experience on commencement of full service. The Nigerian Railway modernization project connects 3 important states in the southwest region: Lagos, Ogun, and Oyo states. Since inception, attention focused on finding best engineering solutions to myriads of technical challenges.
I want to also thank the people along the Lagos-Ibadan, rail line for understanding that this is for their benefit, for not delaying the project, because most of the projects are often delayed because the community will say we have not been settled, but this has not happened. But despite that, the NOA continues to educate people and sensitize them on the need to protect and prevent vandalism.
This is developmental infrastructure, but you see some people sealing the rail track. In this modern world, you will see this. We are shouting development, development. And when the development has come now, you are stealing the track. The reorientation is porous. So we pray that by the grace of God, Nigerians will appreciate it and they will stop stealing infrastructure equipment.
The Lagos-Ibadan Fast Rail is a section of the Lagos-Kano project with an extension to Apapa with a current total of 10 stations. However, the need to secure infrastructure, not only by the authorities but citizens as well, come to the fore.
That is another major milestone that the federal government has embarked on. Like you see, there's not been any station. I doubt if there's any building like this in Nigeria. So this is huge. Not just about the building, the fact that the rail line will run from the seaport for the first time after the narrow gauge was built. There's a 3-year maintenance contract with them, but that's not enough. We need to, in that 3 years, we should build capacity to take over the property. We are continuing with the construction of Ibadan to Kano, and we're continuing with the construction of Port Harcourt to Maiduguri, and then Kano to Maradi, and Lagos to Calabar. We are all continuing. We're currently negotiating the loan facilities. By the time Minister of Finance finishes negotiating the loan, we'll commence work. We're commencing work in Kano, Kaduna by the end of the month or next month.
The Nigerian Railway modernization project is expected to improve the country's transport infrastructure and national railway network. The current administration has completed and commissioned 3 projects within the rail network rehabilitation effort so far. Olaniyi Oyelowo, Arise News, Lagos.